Look at this snow. Well, that's the worst condition you're gonna get. See how she does. Definitely working, but it's not plugging. And float, it was just riding on top. The snow's so wet, so I'm going to put a bunch of down pressure instead of float. See if I can cut right to the ground. Having trouble steering, but got my front tires off the ground. She's definitely working hard, but it's not plugging. Even when I got the deflector all the way down, she's still throwing. Shove her into some piles. Big wet pile there. Babying it. I'm putting the pressure right on. As you can hear that engine still going. right, there you have it, folks. You know, I can't get it any worse than that. It's pouring rain in here all day. There's slush, there's water going through the chute, and I can't plug it. So you gotta admit, this Kioti snowblower is model KS74 240 FM. It definitely works good. You know, I don't care if it's Kioti, John Deere, Kubota, New Holland, Case, I don't care what it is. Yes, I own this Kioti tractor, but if it plugs, I'm gonna tell you. You know, one of the things I did notice when I was snow blowing that wet snow was I noticed the snowblower wanted to ball up the snow in front of the blower and push it along in front of it as I was driving forward. But it also was chewing at the same time. So if I slowed the tractor down some, but like I said, it was still chewing the snow and still throwing the snow, but it was also balling it up in front because it was wet. Didn't plug.